Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is another Halloween themed spooky shop little haul feature thing. I have 3 stores today. It is Psychic Power Social Club, Rattlehead Craft, and Worship13. I found all these stores on Instagram, kind of people tagging them or just suggested. So once again, I'll put their info below. Go check them out. I'll start with Rattlehead Craft. This store, I don't know how to describe them. They have a lot of little cute, weird things. Horror, Beetlejuice. So I would definitely follow them, keep an eye, and if you see something you like, you should probably get it. They seem to launch new things. They have a lot of pins, and I really liked one of their little knife pins. They were really cool, like bloody. Yeah, they have a lot of cool stuff. So go check them out. I got, let's see, there was in a really nice packaging, but I actually unpackaged it once on a video, but I had some issues with the audio. So all the packaging from these 3 stores are lost. So sorry. So I got. This was like 2 stickers. This one is really cool. Well, they're both really cool, but I love the sandworm. So what I got was a journal bundle that came with a little pen, and then the journal, and then it had these 2 stickers, which I'm highly considering at least putting the sandworm on the back too, since the sandworm's on the front. I don't know, or if I want to save them for something else. It is a not too big journal. As you can see, I like that it's not a giant, and it has the elastic. It's made of faux leather. It is a journal and then striped pages. It's a very normal journal. I just like that it's a bit smaller, and then obviously that it is Beetlejuice inspired. It says Handbook for the Strange and Unusual, in case that wasn't clear. So it feels very sturdy. Sometimes I get journals and they're like, are you gonna last in my bag? And it also has like a little, so you can see where you are in it. It is very, very nice. I'm very happy with this purchase. I will put their links below. I highly suggest checking them out and keeping up with what they're doing, because they keep doing cool stuff. And we have Psychic Power Social Club. The name alone had me. I just thought it was a great name. And I honestly was like, if they have a t-shirt just with that, I'll get it. But I looked around and they've several cool things. I was back and forth of what, it's a t-shirt I got. I was back and forth of which one to get. They have like 3 or 4 I really wanted, and then I kind of narrowed it down, and then I ended up with this one. It's been washed because I thought I didn't check my audio and such, but Psychic Vampire, and then it says, very cool. It is, I got a medium, which is my normal size in this in unisex. It is handmade in Honduras, 90% ring spun cotton and 10% polyester. It is very soft. It has a good bit of stretch. The tag is printed on, which is a huge thing for me because I go insane with those tags. It seems longer than my other t-shirts, which I'm not sure if I'm just imagining it, but other than that, fairly standard unisex fit. I would just get your normal size. So as I said, it's been washed. So I know some shirts I've had, you can already see from the first wash that they don't have. This one, the print looks great. I don't dry, I just wash it on cold and then hang dry. But I just thought it was so cute, and I just like a little psychic vampire. I'll go check them out, especially this nice spooky season. I feel a lot of their clothes would really be fitting for people who like the spooky stuff. Last but not least, we have Worship13. Man, they made things hard for me because they have a lot of stuff on their website. They have the little bag on the phone. What are they called? The little you hold for your phone so you don't drop it. They have bags, they have shirts, they have mugs, they have phone cases. Oh, they have so much. They even have kids stuff. Yeah, I spent a long time on that site, and I put things in my cart, and I was like, but I want this. Then I put this in my cart, but I want this. This shirt won over all the other cool stuff they have. Halloween is every day. This shirt spoke to me, and it fitted, especially like for my post-Halloween blues that I'll be getting in November. Like, knowing there's a whole year until Halloween again, this shirt will be worn a ton. Well, it'll also be worn a ton before, but I really felt that it was something for my as I said, post-Halloween blues. Again, I get mediums in unisex, ring spun cotton, very soft. This also seems longer. Maybe I'm just imagining lengths of t-shirts very wrong, but again, this has been washed. Print seems fine. Nice quality, nice stretch to it. This one seems fairly thick. I don't see any like sheerness or anything. I believe this is 100% cotton. Yes. So Worship13, definitely give them a look. I just saw that they had launched a skirt, which is very tempting. It's a very nice Halloween skirt. They might be a little dangerous follow if you're trying to not buy anything. But go check them out. Links for all 3 stores are below. They all deserve a follow. They're all really creative, cool, spooky, horror-inspired stores. So if you're into that, give them a follow. Check them out. If you have any stores you think I should check out, please comment down below. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.